time to get in with the new and get out the old. Nigga, get you some money, nigga, set some goals. Stay focused, you can easily fuck up your pros. Ain't got time for hoes, just a bankroll. Just a bankroll, 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 just a motherfucking bankroll. Nigga, hey, okay, grind every day like it ain't no tomorrow. Okay, my mind in the place of just going hard. I can never settle, that would set me you apart. I'm beating all my odds, call me Swift Floyd. Go, 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 shit, that's all I know. Bro, back, I would never go.
So yeah, man, right now I'm just scouting the area, seeing how it is, seeing if any trees, any vegetation I might have to, you know, adjust to. So it's kind of cloudy right now. It's just 6:53. Finna go grab some breakfast from Mr. Pete's. Might get me a little frappuccino. I don't know though. Get a frap, I might have to tap. Frap and tap. But yeah, yesterday we did 311. Good $2,100 day. Now if we hit that 400,
turn right.
7 times 4 is what? 28. 2,800 in a day. I mean, flying drones, you feel? That's pretty damn good. Flying drones, just flying drones. I know it's people out there done seen more in a day, you feel me? Doing stuff illegally. But I know in the workforce, it's pretty hard to make 2,800 in a day. That's all I'm doing. I ain't even taking pictures, I'm just flying. That's it. 2,800 to do that? 2 bands to do that? 14, 15, 1,600 a day to do that? Sign me up. It's about being consistent, you feel me? A consistent 14 to 2,800 a day. 6-7 months, boy, you gonna see over 200.
Go past this light.
6-7 months, you gonna see 150 to 200. Easy. That be good. All right. It's kind of low light right now, so I'm going a little slower so the image is not blurry. So otherwise, I'll be zipping through these mugs. Sun's slowly trying to come out though. But 1 second interval is definitely slowing me down for sure. But I'd rather good, clean, crisp images versus speed, and it'd be a little blurry. I don't know what these people do, bro. I keep saying it, but there's so much money in California, boy. God, I had a poll yesterday. Full court backyard. Full court in their backyard. Come on, bro. Like, look at that, boy. They got a whole lazy river in their backyard. Come on, dog. That's crazy. A whole lazy river, bro. Whole lazy river. I'm on the right path, but god damn. What do y'all do? And why am I so behind? Golly. Come on out, son.
Positioning accuracy affected. Fly with caution.
All right, so the sun's out. Now it's time to really get to it. You know what I mean? I was making it do what it do. Flying 1 second intervals just to make sure the photos was coming out of crisp. But that sun out. Now it's time to really get to work, man. 20, 23, 25 on a battery, man. So let's go, goddamn.
To confirm.
Sun coming out, but it ain't hot.
RTK positioning error.
I might take the top off
Positioning
this bit.
accuracy affected. Fly with caution.
Just might.
Home point updated. Check map to confirm.
Come on, Porsche. Come on, Mercedes. Hey, when I tell you these people too rich for me, dog, somebody had a lazy boy river to go at their pool. Then somebody had a mini golf course in their backyard. Like, bro, what?
I ain't one of them under they breath mumbling, scared to tell them hoes what it is. Coach flights, long nights, fast the way I live. Mary, I swear I sleep, I'm never at the crib. In the show for
The reason why you're flying a drone over my house?
Inspected for Charter Spectrum.
For who?
Charter Spectrum.
Do you have any credentials that I can see? Can I see it? Is there any, was there any announcement made? This one right here.
Oh, okay.
5462 Grandview Avenue.
Well, I'm flying this pole.
Is there any like notification that
Nope.
we're supposed to receive for you to do that?
Nope.
Because that's our property.
Okay.
That pole's on our property. So
Got you. It ain't no notification though. I seen you pull up there waiting, looking at me, see what I was gonna do.
yeah, I just left my property.
I'm
so I
just
was trying to
inspecting
check stuff
poles.
out. All right,
That's
man.
all.
No worries. Just gotta check.
You good?
People do weird shit these days, you know.
I got you. I mean, I ain't doing nothing crazy. Broad daylight
All right, buddy.
on the main street. See what I mean? Like, bro, just watch the rotation of the drone, bro. What could I possibly be doing on your property with a drone? Like, bro, what do you got? Yeah, a drone is taking photos, but what more can you, what can a person do? I can see if your kids was outside and you was wondering what's going on, but, and I seen him drive past slow looking at me, and then he went on the other side of the street, pulled over, parked, wait till I took off, and then came and hollered at me. Peep the whole thing. Bitch just be mad. No, hey, how you doing, man? I was just wondering, what's going on? Why are you, come on, bro. You don't even approach nobody right. People gotta know how to talk to people, bro. For real. Show me respect, I'll show you. I should have hopped out on him too, so you could see me. Yeah, bro, what's up, bro? That's what I should have did. I should have hopped out on his ass too. But I understand people do weird stuff, so you know, I ain't tripping. But it is how you approach somebody though. I was already prepared. I could see how he hopped out the car. He want problems. Just talk to him calm, bro. I'm just inspecting these poles, dog. Got nothing to do with your house or your property, bro. I don't care about that. You feel me? I don't care about that. That's what I should have told him. Before you hop out next time, bro, just look at the drone. Look at it. Durango got shipped yesterday too. So I got my fire this bit, and I got it on me. California rule different from Florida as far as concealed, but I got that bit. So yeah, I got that bit. running through these bitches, you hear me? Really sliding now. Oh yeah. Caught some good shade. Rocking and rolling. I think I'm about done with 132. Yo. So we still at it, man. Checking in is 250. We about to start my third batch right now. We at 218 poles. When I'm done with this, we're gonna be at 312. Then if I got time, I'm gonna try to hit 60 more at the end with 372. We gonna see. I'm about to get to it though. Can't be wasting time. So what's going on, man? We back. Just wrapped up the day. Ended up with 348. 348. It's a good day, man. 24:36 to wrap up the day. Currently 348 is the record, held by me himself. Yesterday was the record with 311. Like I say, man, come on, man. In a week, nah. From last Wednesday to now, we still got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to go. 11,279. Pretty good, man. Drone is life, baby. Drone is life. Let's go.